Friends, welcome to the webinar. As you are aware, CREDAI has 22 state chapters, 153 city chapters, and more than 12,500 members. Today, we have the National CREDAI President, Mr. Satish Magar, with us, who will be joining very shortly. His phone was kind of hung, so he'll try to join very soon. And we have Mr. Gitambar Anand, who is the Chairman and Managing Director of ATS Infra, who has been the past CREDAI National President. He's also been the CREDAI Chairman, someone whom we very closely look up to. Gentlemen, both the speakers, both the personalities have put CREDAI before self. You know, and when you say CREDAI before self, they have actually lived the talk. Both are the first generation developers. Both answer straight from the heart, whether it's with the politicians, whether it's with the bankers, whether it's with the builders, or whether even it's with the customers. Their approach is always straight from the heart, and always decisive, decision oriented. Another unique aspect of both of our speakers is collaboration. Unity is in blood of both. Both have worked tremendously to collaborate. My personal interactions with them has been for 20 years. So, they have spent maximum energy to promote brotherhood and sisterhood in real estate more than ever before. So, as I learned yesterday from one of the webinars, that a leader is one who's a dealer of hope. So, leader is a dealer of hope. Today, when we hear our speakers, we will exactly understand why we call them our leader. So, we'll start with Gitambar Anandji, who's the chairman of ATS. Friends, unique is every single day he visits one of his sites. He has more than 4,000 employees on his payroll, whom he called his as partners.
Satish is there, Nanesh. I think we can start with Satish. Satish has joined.
Dada?
Yeah, Nanesh did not want me to join without.
ये साजिश है, ये मैं समझ गया था, मैंने तभी बोला सतीश को आने दो.
वो MCH है, वो ऐसे ही करते हैं. अभी ठीक देखते हैं. अभी चलो, अभी जरा मुंबई जाता हूँ. नैनेश भाई देंगे आपको भी.
So
let's
friends,
switch to Dada.
Dharmesh bhai, you want to introduce Dada?
Yeah. You have to introduce?
Yes, Dada is a brand in itself. Since Dharmesh bhai is not there, I'll take the lead here.
Satish is looking very good today. I must compliment you.
आपको सुना डर गया. फिर सुबह जब से जाग के उठा ना तो सोचा आज क्या है. आज एक नया दिन है, एक नई सुबह है, एक नई आशा है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
निकाल दी पूरी सफेद.
एकदम जबरदस्त. You're looking जबरदस्त.
Dada is looking all fresh and ready.
Fresh, young.
Dharmesh bhai, will you introduce Satish Dada?
Yeah. More than happy. Friends, again, so as Nanesh mentioned, I think we have two really special people on the panel today. Two people who have been wonderful examples themselves in their own businesses and have been great shining example for all developers across the country. And I don't think we would have two better guides than these two fine gentlemen for today. Dada, as Nanesh mentioned, heads Magarpata city in Pune, which is an absolute landmark. And if you want to see collaborative working with landowners, I don't think there is a better example in the country. And he's president of CREDAI, which is a family of 12,500 members across the country. So without taking much time, Dada, I think it's probably one of the craziest times. I think 2 generations before us and 2 generations after us, I think I don't think we are going to see such times. But I think a great learning experience. I think all of us need to take one step back and see how we can learn from this rather than think what went wrong. I think it's a time God has given us to reflect on ourselves, our companies, on the way we are treating our city, our country, and probably the world. So, Dada, I would love you to throw some light on the strategies CREDAI is looking forward to, and how do we, learn from this, and how do we reorganize ourselves? Over to Dada.
Dharmesh, all these times, all these calls we have been having for last couple of days, I never had paper on my table. Today I have come with paper on my table. और नयन भाई के सामने बात करना है ना तो सब तैयारी में लगता है. See, friends, good morning and welcome to this call. We are doing this series of calls. I think I have done NCR, I have done Karnataka in the morning today. Now we are thankful for Dharmesh to be calling us on this call. We are going, I'm personally going state by state, talking to all the city chapters, everyone, because see, all these times it was a Mumbai problem, it was a Delhi problem, it was a Karnataka problem, it was a Maharashtra problem. They were all local specific problems. Now it is not your problem, it is not my problem, it is our problem. So we all have to come together, we all have to stand together, and we have to fight it. Nobody knows. See, 9th of March, the first case was detected in India, which unfortunately or fortunately was in Pune, very close to one of my sites. And everyone was paranoid. Nobody knew. We thought it will never come to us. We always thought it is Chinese mounted. But I'll just tell you, I'll just take 2 minutes of your time. We have something called as a disaster mitigation team in IT, and which was constituted about 10, 12, 15 years back when I started this IT park, but it never operated. That day, for the first time, there was a meeting because some wise guy put up a question everywhere saying that there is one guy in one of the towers who has got coronavirus. It was fake, but a lot of hue and cry happened, and then everyone came together. And that is the time when we heard people who have operations in China, who have operations in Japan, who have operations in Europe, who have operations in US, and they all were talking, that this is a dangerous situation. And that is the time when it dawned on to us. And then I spoke to Gitambar that day. And we spoke to other people. And then we wrote a letter to the RBI way back on the 13th of March. The first letter which went to RBI, where Gitambar was great help to us in drafting, went to on the 13th of March, much before the lockdown started. So everyone thought that you are doing too much in anticipation. But let me tell you, from 13th of March till yesterday or till today, as I'm talking to you, the number of representations which have been made to RBI, to the Housing Minister, to the Finance Minister, there's a special task force we have created amongst ourselves. There's a special task force which this government of India has created, where Gitambar is being a part of it. We're all coming out with suggestions. We are all coming out with solutions, what we require to do, how we require to do, time and on. We never knew that it will be so long. So it came for 3 months. Now I think the government will think of doing it for 6 months. They started from 1st of March, but I think they'll go back January, February. Now they have to know, they have to do it. We have to understand that, we are feeling that it should come for 1 year. We are feeling it should come for 2 years. But the situation is so different and it is so dynamic that it is changing from time to time. It is changing from minute to minute. We never thought that we'll be in lockdown, the situation what we are today. In Pune, Mumbai, we realize what we are. In Noida, we know what is going on. The whole country is under lockdown. Why the whole country? The whole world is under lockdown. We thought everything will be over by 15th of April. Today in Maharashtra, if you ask me, if I'm very optimistic, it will be 1st of May. If I'm averagely optimistic, it will be 15th of May. And if I'm a real pessimist, it will be 30th of May. This is the situation what it is. We have to stand by our laborers. We have to stand by our staff. We have to stand by our customers. But like we were having a talk the other day, and I took it from Gitambar, that this can be an opportunity for us in disaster. This can be an opportunity for us to show to the government and show to the country that after agriculture, we are the largest employers who can turn around the economy. We know we are stressed. We know we are in trouble. We know we have been battered for the last couple of years. But yes, if the wheels of economy have to run, then they have to be run. They will run on us, because we support more than 15 million. This is the data which came out, and we were surprised when I saw that figure. 15 million people are dependent on us. Various industries, direct employment, indirect employment, the number is humongous. It is just next to agriculture. So for the first time, the policymakers are looking at us for revival. I think this is an opportunity in disguise for us, where we need to stand together. We need to survive. The most important thing is survival. And Dharmesh, I have taken your advice to the hilt of it, exercising, walking, I grew beard. I thought, it will give a different look. Gitambar battered me so much that I took it off. I said, no, I'm not going to have it any longer. Because yes, we have to be positive. This is the time I told my first call, our situation is like Sau chuhe khake billi chali aaj, and wash all our sins. We can open up with our staff. We can be good with them. We can talk to our customers, not only the existing customers, but also the old society. If you just lend a hand, everyone thinks that we are the most powerful people in this country. All our customers feel that we are dons. Maybe in Mumbai, yes, but in other states, there are different. Sorry, just joking. Every time you cannot be serious. Sometimes you have to take the lighter mode. Like how Nainesh did not allow me to come on the call without registering myself. I've registered in MCHI today. I've registered.
So now we have your official data, sir.
But the time has come where we can open up the channels even to the old societies we have done. I was talking to other day that sodium hypochlorite 1%. If you just assist them to spray that as a disinfectant, which the municipal corporation is doing, the cost is so low, but the perception change will become tremendous. They need vegetable vendors. They need, even the societies need. They have money for it. If you can just tell somebody, call somebody, इनको मदद कर दे, and if that thing happens, they'll say किसने किया? अरे ये developer ने किया, नैन भाई ने मेरे को ये किया, 5 साल पहले ताबा दिया, लेकिन आज मेरे को मुझे ये मदद दी. I think this is the time for us to even change the perception. This is the time for us to even change the perception from the government front, because we should not sound greedy, but we should sound practical. We should do a lot of out of the box thinking, which is happening on a continuous way. I don't think this is a short-term program. This is going to last 9 months to a year for things to become normal. But like what Gitambar you said the other day, and I talked to a lot of my customers at least 1 hour every day, and they were telling me that all the rental people who are with me, they want to buy a house now. They're asking me, "Abhi aapka naya scheme baaju mein kab chalu ho raha hai?" Because what has happened in Mumbai, in Pune, in some places of Delhi, Bangalore, if you have a quarantine stamp on your hand, quarantine means you are not infected. You are just under observation. Societies were not allowing tenants to come inside, because we become very inhuman when we are, our basic existence comes under jeopardy. We have become very inhuman. So they feel that they should have had a house. And I said, good, I'll start a scheme just next month. You buy with me. Even if they don't buy with me, they'll buy with somebody. And this is going to happen. This is going to be our biggest advantage in days to come. We have made one final representation, which we have asked for everything. I'll just, for the sake of, so that we don't have too many questions on that, I'll just read it out.
Dada, can I request you to be little slow while you deliver?
Sir, also, people are not able to hear you clearly. Can you please put your mic a little closer? Thank you.
Mumbai means instructions. अभी तक किसी ने इतने instructions दी नहीं.
Sir, request. sir, I started with request, sir. Request.
वही तो करना पड़ेगा. आप करेगा क्या और? अरे हाथ जोड़ के तो हम सब खड़े. So what we have talked about, deferment of GST, deferment of income tax payments. We have spoken about, waiver of interest penalties. All these issues, what we have bought for. Now, yesterday I got a letter from one of the members, which said that if you don't pay your interest on time, after 90 days, you'll have to pay all your interest at one time. Kahan se denge? The GST people are calling, the SGST people are calling, the municipal corporation is calling pay your tax. I have told Karnataka, I have told NCR, I have told Pune, and I am going to tell you now. Mahatma Gandhi did something in 1942. I think we'll have to redo it again. नहीं है हमारे पास, क्या करेंगे अब? हम थोड़ी फॉरेन जाने, वो भी नहीं जा सकते. हम थोड़ी कुछ मजाक करने, पार्टी करने वाले, वो भी नहीं कर सकते. नहीं है हमारे पास, because this is with everybody. This is not only with us. So we'll also have to tell them at times कि नहीं दे सकते. You please come out with a solution how to take us out of this. And as I said, this is not only our problem, it is a national problem, it is an international problem. Government will look positively at that. They are doing things which we had never expected. In all my career as a developer, in all these years I've been in CREDAI, I never saw the government asking. I never saw the government being proactive. I've never seen the government thinking. At least for us, they are thinking of everybody else, but not us. But now they are really thinking of us because it has gone down and is sunk in their minds that yes, this is the time when things can happen. My only reason to come on this call today, Dharmesh and Nayan and all, is that to tell you that we are there with you. We have become one large family. We are all members of the same family. We have to work together. It's everybody's problem. As I said in the earlier stages, it is not any one problem. It is everybody's problem. We'll all have to come together. We'll all have to stay together, and we'll have to all fight together. CRIDAI at the national level is doing what they can do best. We are taking a lot of inputs from all our members. Even if you have any inputs, please write to us. We'll collate your inputs together and we will take it forward to see what best, because it is not only your survival, it is our survival. It is even my survival. So everybody's survival is on this. I mean, these are the days where you can keep on giving advice. What I can tell, that be healthy yourselves, see that everything is in the right system. Please try and be more human, not inhuman. We have our problems. We are totally aware of that. And we need to also work hard with people. We also need to support our people. We also need to support our entire community and take the things as they come. Every time with the change of situation, we will make representations. We'll fight it to the core. We'll not let things go. We'll not remain complacent. Everybody's advice is important for us. It is accepted by us. We have seniors. We have a task force created within CRIDAI. We have a task force created at the national level where we can keep on talking. We can keep on discussing. We will keep on discussing. We'll get all the information required. We'll put it up to the right authorities and see that we survive. So, Gitambar, I think we can take over from here. And any questions come on the way, we can answer them.
Great, Satish, as always, superb.
Thank you.
You've been as frank and upfront as always. And Gitambar, over to you.
So basically, see the facts and the figures and all. I think hum sabko abhi, Dada has already elaborated what all we are doing and what all needs to be done. So I would say on a more human level, yes, Nanish and Dharmesh, both of you said that both of us, Satish and I, are very collaborative and we believe in associations and unity. Because अब आज की टाइम में अगर हम 500 लोग इस कॉल में हैं या 500 लोग इस कॉल में हैं, वो इसलिए है because all of us need some assurance from each other. Now the tragedy is that why do we get together only in such times? Why are we not always together? So the new normal now, I was telling the NCR members the other day, I said, the times where we used to say, हमारी human nature है, we used to gossip, अरे उसका हाल तो बहुत खराब है यार, हमारा हाल ठीक है, अरे उसका हाल तो बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा हाल खराब है. तो ये सब खत्म हो गया. अब सबका हाल एक सा ही है. Everybody is on the same level. चाहे वो उसका काम पहले अच्छा चल रहा था या नहीं चल रहा था या बहुत खराब चल रहा था, everybody today is on the same level. We should support each other irrespective of what any one of us is going through. And the intent should be always to help. क्योंकि वो ये ऐसे ही थोड़ी नेचर ने कहा है कि the more you help people, the more help you'll get. It's a basic principle. And आजकल घर बैठ के हम सब थोड़ा बहुत ध्यान भी करते हैं, तो थोड़ा सा I think सबको ये एहसास हो रहा है कि बगैर एक दूसरे के अगर आज हम एक दूसरे से बात ना कर रहे हो, एक दूसरे की suggestions ना सुन रहे हो या दे रहे हो, probably this time would be very difficult to pass. Like Dada said, this is not just a 21-day period. It could go to 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. As of now, I think the cases have crossed 6,000. We are 1.25 lakh tests done, but we have already crossed 6,000. This morning, positive tests is close to 288 to 290. So this situation is not getting better. And more than us, the government knows about this. So what I'm going to ask, and this is what I tell everybody, that, this is a time where we need to keep ourselves fresh. Ekdam fresh and happy. It's not an easy thing to do, but it's a very easy thing to do. Because the mindset change करो. क्यों? अपने आप पे हंसो कि यार ये हमारी हालत कभी की सोची थी हमने ऐसी होगी कि 10,000 रुपए खर्चने के लिए भी सोचना पड़ रहा है. तो ये सिचुएशन, हंसना सीखो, इस सिचुएशन में खुश रहना सीखो, आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ बात करो और बिल्कुल ओपन कम्युनिकेशन करो कि यार मेरे
Very handsome young man does it.
हेलो सो आपस में एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेशन खुली रखें, हम ट्रांसपेरेंट रखें. इट्स वेरी ट्रू, यू नो, हैप्पीनेस शेयर्ड इज हैप्पीनेस डबल्ड, sorrow shared is sorrow halved. So अगर कोई भी अपने को आपस में एक दूसरे से दिक्कत है, पर्सनल बिजनेस में दिक्कत है या पर्सनल दिक्कत है, people you trust and you are frank with, talk to them. Tell them यार ऐसी ऐसी परेशानी है, I am feeling a little down, what should I do? So we'll all get together, all of us are there to support each other. अगर मुझे कल को कुछ ऐसी फील होंगी, मैं आप लोगों को फोन करूंगा, अरे यार I am feeling very down in the dumps, कुछ करो यार. So ये टाइम में हमको एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. दूसरा सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी, अब Dada has also already mentioned it, is coming in real estate and also specifically in housing. Specifically in housing, because all your rental housing, student housing, shared accommodation, blah 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 blah, ये second हो गया. Millennial नहीं लेता घर, सब लेगा. एक एक आदमी को एहसास हो गया इस समय में और आने वाले 6 महीने में और हो जाएगा कि अपने सर पे अपनी छत होने का मतलब ही कुछ और है. इसलिए be positive, there's lots of opportunity over there. Now what product to come out in, what geography, that is something we are all smart enough to do, and this is the thing that we should start planning now. I'm not saying all of us stop commercial and retail and start doing housing. That's also wrong. भेड़ चाल नहीं, अगर आप housing कर रहे हैं, we can evolve. अगर थोड़ी कर रहे हैं, you can evolve, and we can all work together so that we don't cannibalize each other. We all work together in an ecosystem where all of us benefit. Somehow or the other, in bigger cities, this has been seen that we are always wary of each other. We are wary to trust each other. मैं इसको बता दूंगा मैं क्या बना रहा हूं, तो यार कहीं ये ना हो कि यही ये बना ले और मैं रह जाऊं. ऐसा नहीं है. सब अपनी अपनी किस्मत, अपनी अपनी तकदीर लेके आए, और जितना हम साथ कोलैबोरेटिव तरीके से चलेंगे, उतना ही हम सक्सेसफुल होंगे, उतनी ही बड़ी फोर्स बनेगी सरकार के सामने, ब्यूरोक्रेसी के सामने, कस्टमर्स के सामने. हम गुंडे बदमाश तो है नहीं, हम तो काम कर रहे हैं, हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट दे रहे हैं. तो इस सोच को बड़ा करें हम सब अपनी. लेट्स मेक आवर थॉट प्रोसेस मच वाइडर. Let us work together and not exploit, take advantage of this situation. There's an opportunity in this disaster. It's unfortunate, but I'm saying it. Let's start planning. In 2 years, it will come. In 1.5 years, it will come. Maybe it comes in 1 year. Why? Because today, the biggest insecurity of our home buyer is whether his or her job will be there or not in the next 6 months. Should I buy that house today? If my job is not there in the next 6 months, how will I pay my EMI? So what we are doing, and Dada knows it, we are pushing to government. Let me tell you all that the subvention schemes are being opened again. But the $1 million question is, do we have the money to pay subventions? No, because liquidity is so tight. So we have suggested another scheme. And this is in the Ministry of Finance and Department of Financial Services, to be discussed with HFCs and other, whichever housing finance companies there are. Why cannot the HFC give a subvention to the home loan borrower? जो हम 2 साल, अभी 2 साल की इनसिक्योरिटी है, तो हम कहते हैं हमारे बायर को घर खरीदना है. मान लीजिए उस घर की कीमत 1 करोड़ है. For the sake of discussion, he has today about 30-35 lakhs to pay. 20% उसको देना होता है. HFC says if you push him to pay about 30% and he puts down that 30%, we will fund the balance 70%, but he won't have to pay his EMI for 2 years because his job insecurity is for 2 years. Because 2 साल से ज़्यादा, I don't think this thing will drag. We will come to a normal where, there is light at the end of the tunnel. People will have jobs. थोड़ा economy चल पड़ेगी. So 2 साल के लिए अगर HFC उसको comfort देती है, तुम EMI मत दो. ये जो 2 साल का तुम्हारा interest था, प्रिंसिपल रिपेमेंट तो शुरू होती नहीं, शुरू में जो इंटरेस्ट था उसको मैं कैपिटलाइज कर देता हूं, और 2 साल बाद मैं तुम्हारी होम लोन जो मैंने अभी तुम्हें 70% दिया है, मैं तुम्हें 80% कर देता हूं. वो 10% जो देता हूं, उससे मैं जो इंटरेस्ट तुमने कैपिटलाइज किया 2 साल का, उसको मैं एडजस्ट कर लूंगा. So we are coming up, and please all of us, let's think of these products, because A, there is a buyer, there is a desire to buy a house, a roof over one's head. B, there is an insecurity in the buyer that he may not have his job to pay the EMI. So this is one thing that came out of my head. I said, okay, this is good. Why don't we try this? Let's all try something. Let's all think of something where the home buyer is enabled to take the risk of taking a loan. So this is something, in these times, this is what we should think. Another important thing is that, we have to keep our teams motivated. तो बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज हो जाएगी. Communication सबके साथ रखो. अपने staff के साथ बात करो. सीनियर मैनेजमेंट के साथ नहीं. जैसे आज हम 500 लोग की कॉल हो रही है, why can't you, all of us, do a once in a week call with the entire 500-600 people who we employ and tell them, boss, I'm here with you. I'm very much here, but chill, relax. There is a problem. We are not being able to pay you full salaries. Now, there's another thing. We may not be able to pay full salaries. We may be only able to pay a part of salaries while they're sitting at home because there's no inflow. So we can tell them this. Let's be transparent with them. Okay, boss, there's a problem. Let's all work together on this. We know that there is no opportunity for a job elsewhere today. You can leave real estate and say, मैं auto में जा रहा हूँ, मैं aviation में जा रहा हूँ, मैं hospitality में जा रहा हूँ. So then you stay on. We are together. Once this thing is over, we'll evolve a system. Either we'll pay arrears or we'll all together take a cut or something like that. But today, this is the money we have, and this is how we have to last for 1 year or 6 months or whatever. So they want to hear this from us. They want to, and they're on the same page with us. Be it our contractors, like Dada said, we have to tell them पैसे नहीं है भाई, नहीं है पैसे. अभी आज हमसे आप 1 लाख रुपए भी मांग रहे हो, मेरे पास नहीं है 1 लाख रुपए देने को. कभी थे, आज नहीं है, लेकिन मैं डर के नहीं बोल रहा नहीं है, मैं चोर नहीं हूं, मेरी नीयत खराब नहीं है, लेकिन वास्तव में मेरे पास नहीं है. जब होंगे जरूर देंगे, सबको बांट के देंगे. अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटे ठेकेदार को दे सकते हैं तो जरूर दें. सो ये एक नया एक इकोसिस्टम बिल्ड हो रहा है, एक नया नॉर्मल बिल्ड हो रहा है. दादा जैसे बोले, सरकार पहली बार अब कह रही है, जस्ट टू हैव सम नंबर्स सो दैट वी ऑल टॉक ऑन द सेम लैंग्वेज. Real estate, construction and construction related infrastructure, which means roads, your waterways, your electrification, we employ about 5 to 6 crore unskilled and skilled, semi-skilled labor. 5 to 6 crores. ये number चाहे public domain में है या ना हो, ये मैंने बड़ी research करके निकाला है. जो 250 इंडस्ट्री को हम feed करते हैं, मतलब जो हम items लेते हैं, उनमें another 5 crore people are employed. So if, and I've been saying this at all our forums, if we are looking at generating employment for 10 crore odd Indians, wherein in each household there are 4 to 5 people, तो 40 से 50 करोड़ भारतीय जनता हमारे व्यापार पे डिपेंडेंट है. ये बात आज सरकार समझ गई. तो हम सब यही भाषा बोलें कि भाई ये हम हैं, आज दिक्कत है, कष्ट है, हम इसमें से बाहर निकलेंगे एक साथ. अब एक साथ एक बहुत जरूरी इसमें, there's a very important element, एक साथ एक दूसरे का सहारा बनके, एक दूसरे की सपोर्ट बनके हम सब इसमें से एक साथ निकलेंगे. और तब आप हमको अगर सपोर्ट करेंगे पैसे से, लिक्विडिटी से, पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ स्टैट्यूटरी कंप्लायंस से, तो हम आपके साथ मिलके इस देश की एम्प्लॉयमेंट को एकदम सिर पे चढ़ाएंगे. और ये बात सरकार हमसे ज्यादा बोल रही है हमको कि भाई तुम लोग इतने इतने लोग को एम्प्लॉय करते हो, तो बताओ हम क्या करें जल्दी. अब दूसरी बात ये है, if we expect, you see, the government functions in its own way. There is the intent of the Prime Minister to get things started and under control. His first priority today is to control the disease, control the spread of the disease, and he's so preoccupied in that. But in spite of that, he's working with every ministry and saying, get suggestions from industry, from stakeholders. These suggestions we are giving to them. But there's a bureaucracy over there. Bureaucracy today, if they were resistant, let's say 100% resistant to our suggestions, today they are still 40 to 50% resistant. हाँ ये होगा, हाँ ये कैसे होगा, ठीक नहीं, लेकिन हम दिए जा रहे हैं. आप देते जाओ देते जाओ देते जाओ अपनी suggestions. उसके बाद वो थोड़ा फिल्टर होके 40-50% जो आएगा वो फिर दोबारा जाता है एक हायर कैबिनेट लेवल पे जाएगा, और उसमें से जो हमको मिले. इसलिए जो मांगना है मांगो, खूब मांगो, ज्यादा मांगो, ताकि हमको पता है कि फिल्टर होके इतना सा मिलेगा. 24 महीने का होराइजन लेके जो मांगना है मांगो. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की ओर से हमने सब कुछ 24 महीने का होराइजन लेके मांगा है. जैसे अभी दादा बोले 90 दिन का आरबीआई ने एक्सटेंड किया, हमने 1 साल का मांगा है. 1 साल आप सारा कुछ आगे पुश कर दीजिए. एनपीए की जो क्वालिफिकेशन है, अभी हमने 1 साल बोला, उन्हें बोला, मिनिस्ट्री ने रेकमेंड किया 180 दिन. 180 दिन से पहले कुछ एनपीए ना हो. हमने कहा आज आप 180 दिन कह रहे हैं, कोई गारंटी है कि 90 दिन में कैश फ्लोज आने शुरू हो जाएंगे? कोई गारंटी नहीं है. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि अभी आप ठहरो, अभी आप जो मिल रहा है ये लो, and we'll keep reassessing the situation as the situation unfolds. We'll know what the challenge is in front of us, and then we are there to support not only real estate, but across we are willing to support everybody. But first, 2 things that we have to kickstart is agriculture, construction, real estate, and infrastructure. So in that order, we have a higher priority. So therefore, everything we are asking for, they are saying, okay, let's, if we ask for 2 years, they said, look at a 6-month horizon. उसके बाद फिर assess कर लेते हैं. तो RBI से हमने ये चीजें मांगी हैं, NPA को 6 महीने से करिए, सब कुछ 6 महीने, हमने 1 साल बोला, आगे धक्का मारने को शायद वो 1 साल 6 महीने मान जाए, फिर उसको रिवैलिडेट करेंगे. आज मुझे पता लगा है कि RBI को की हब बनाया गया है to discuss with the IBA what should be done by the RBI. So if anyone of us has got good relations in the State Bank of India, please start talking to people who matter, because they have to bring a meeting together of IBA to recommend to RBI what needs to be done for industry. So not only us, but for every industry. First thing we told them, boss, जो तुम गलती हो गया RBI से, वो ये था कि जो accounts 1 मार्च से पहले regular नहीं थे, जो SMA 1, 2 थे, आपने उनके बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. किसी ब्यूरोक्रेट ने कह दिया उठा के कि भाई वो तो कोविड से अफेक्टेड नहीं थे, इसलिए उनको कुछ नहीं मिलना चाहिए. ये गलत है. कोविड से नहीं अफेक्टेड थे, देयर वाज अ स्लो डाउन द इकोनॉमी एंड कोविड तो शुरू हो गया था नवंबर में. हम नहीं कह रहे कि हम अफेक्टेड थे इतनी सीरियसली, बट देयर वाज अ प्रॉब्लम एंड वी वुड हैव पेड बाय 31st of March if I am SMA in certain of my accounts in January and February, so I would have to pay in 31st of March. If I had to pay in 31st of March, my cash flow stopped in March itself, on the 1st of March, by your own admission and acknowledgement. So how the hell can I pay you any money in April or May for that matter? So this has to be told to RBI effectively. And I'm telling you all, कोई अपनी कमजोरी एडमिट करने में कोई शर्म नहीं है. अगर कोई आदमी सोचता है किसी और की कमजोरी का फायदा उठाएगा, तो मैं कहता हूं इससे बड़ी गलत सोच और इससे कमजोर सोच और नहीं हो सकती. एक दूसरे की कमजोरी अगर हम शेयर करते हैं एक दूसरे से, तो वही हमारी ताकत बनती है, क्योंकि तभी एक सोल्यूशन निकलता है. एंड ऑफ इट, आई विल जस्ट से, बी हेल्दी, बी सेफ, कीप स्माइलिंग, कीप लाफिंग. एक ही एजेंडा है, एक ही एजेंडा है, इसमें से जिंदा निकलना. काम को बाद में देख लेंगे. एक ही एजेंडा है. देख रहे हो दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, इसको ही एजेंडा बनाओ अपना और दिमाग को फ्रेश रखो. दादा, थैंक यू फॉर शेविंग योर बियर्ड. यू लुकिंग यंग, हैंडसम, आई मस्ट से. अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम धर्मेश की बियर्ड शेव कराते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
I just want
Thank
to
you,
add
thank
one
you.
thing. I just want to add one thing about this. Gitambar, the other day we spoke about communication with people, and we took out a list of all those people who are preferred partners. I said, let's keep them
Yes.
happy.
There's a,
So we went 5 years back. So all those people who have sponsored CRIDAI in the last 5 years, other than the HFCs and financial institutions, we are having a call today, and we are inviting you also on the call.
yes.
There are 120 plus people,
वाह.
manufacturers,
Wow,
who want to
excellent.
come on the call.
So इतना अच्छा मैसेज जाएगा, क्या मैसेज जाएगा उसे? बहुत
So
बढ़िया.
we are saying that yes, we are in problem, you are in problem, the whole world is in problem. Let us stay together and swim this tide and come out. So that is what we are doing. So even Dharmesh, Nayan is there, Nayanesh, you people also keep this continuous conversation on, not only with developers but also with your staff. You were talking about salaries. I had a con call 2 days back because we do salaries on the 10th, and I had a call and I said all my key staff, 600 odd, came onto that, and I had one call with them, and I said this is what it is. I don't want to repatriate anyone. We are not going to lay off anyone, but what should we do? Suggestion came: pay us minimum 25,000 and defer the salary till the fees come up.
Yes.
I did not say a single word. It came from them. They
Brilliant.
also realized
Same thing.
it's
Exactly
like,
the same thing.
Like our survival, it is their survival.
And they gave us a
Everybody-
formula, Satish, they gave us a formula, okay, below, I'll read the formula, below 25,000 full salary, then between, below 50,000 full salary, between 1 lakh to 50,000, 50% of the salary is what they're saying. And then above 1 lakh, जिनकी भी salary है, वो कह रहे हैं हमको 1 lakh भी दे दो चलेगा, but then I know if this thing doesn't become normal, they are okay to take this thing. घर में बैठ के हमको जो राशन पानी चाहिए उसी के पैसे चाहिए, बिजली का बिल देने के लिए. तो
same formula.
हाँ, हाँ.
60 50 40 सब जगह चल रहा है.
Yes,
वही हो
yes,
रहा है.
yes, yes,
I think even the staff is talking to each other.
yes. Great.
Sir, we had collated a few questions which were going on for the last since the lockdown. Some important questions. So if it's okay, then can I start taking those questions, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. 10 minutes.
Yes, sir. You, Satish Dadaji, you have been on the board of.
Sorry.
UCW.
And generally also on the labor case slightly, what is the corpus with them? What is the vendors have to do, and what is the benefit that can come?
See, I guess last 4 years I have been on that board, and we have 10,000 crores in Maharashtra in fixed deposit. So when this thing started coming, we went to we had an emergency meeting just before thing, these things happen, then we'll start with the salary losses and midday meals. Midday meals, now I think about 20,000 they have crossed in Pune. The problem which happened is that the site labor does not eat that same food every day, so they want some variety. You cannot ask a contractor to give variety, so taking a way out of that. The second biggest challenge came is about loss of wages. They are ready to pay. The board is ready to pay loss of wages. The problem is we don't have registered labor. We are paying the fee. We are paying those charges because corporation is collecting. But we are not registering the labor. We think that the labor department आएगा, वो PF मांगेगा, वो ESI मांगेगा, या हमको तकलीफ देगा, union formation होगी, and we kept them apart. I think that is the biggest mistake we have done, which we need to work on. It is not 35,000 crores. There is more than 1 lakh crore in the entire country.
Yes.
In the entire
Nayan
country,
bhai,
which is in
please.
Nayan bhai,
Yeah.
which is locked. Supreme Court has guidelines how this money is to be used, but they can pay loss of wages. For that, you require an account. It is direct bank transfer. And when it is direct by DBT, that time if the account is not there, then they cannot come to the site and just distribute cash. So the learning of this COVID-19, please register all your labor. They are insured. They come under various that Ayushman Bharat scheme. Their children are given money for education. Everything is there. I have made a rule for the last 1 year that unless and until you are registered, you please don't work as myself. And I'll tell you, I'm the happiest person because I'm not scared if an accident happens. I know that they are protected.
Absolutely.
I think we have to now, we have to learn all these things now. We have to reinvent our whole wheel. You know, Gitambar, after seeing these calls, it has come to my mind. Why do we have to go do Bharat Darshan?
This is Bharat Darshan.
यही भारत कॉल पे कल बुला दो सबको, नैनेश को बोलो गेट वे ऑफ इंडिया के बाहर खड़ा रह के कॉल कर, कम से कम हमको वो नजारा तो देखेगा. अभी मत जा. Now stay home. You want to pass to Roma about, Nainesh?
Sir?
You want to pass to Roma about?
No, sir. I'm very comfortable. Sir, I will listen to the past president who says, "Jaan hai to jahan hai." Another next question is to Gitambar Anandji. Sir, 2009 crisis was triggered by greed, by over leveraging, etc., etc. However, the 2020 crisis, they say, is not a fault of real estate, is not a fault of a single human being. If that is the case, you know, post lockdown, there may be some retrenchment, but what will be the guidance that we should tell our people? Will they need to work 200%? What is, will they have to really tighten up their belts and start working? What is that thing we should start telling them from today?
So, Nanesh, that all depends on your business plan. So if you have an ongoing business where there's still incomplete projects, then you will be retaining your entire team and you will tell them to tighten their belts and to work harder while you go and search for money to make that project or to complete that project. But all of us have to have a business plan. And I think we can start working on it today. If you want to do more work, then there's a big opportunity. Like both of us said, it's in housing. It's a very big opportunity. Then make a business plan and tell your guys to tighten themselves to be in sync with your business plan. If you don't want to do more work, then look for a collaborative arrangement with somebody, so that over there, then maybe you would slowly be retrenching your people. It's a very personal question. It's a very, I would say, it depends on each organization. If I talked about our organization, we've asked all our guys to tighten their belts. We asked them to become, to go deep into each department and weed out all the dead weed, to change people who were actually retardant and they were deterrent in business, to actually identify new talent from different industries, not real estate, who will bring in fresh thought into our business and more efficiency vis-a-vis spend. Our attitude towards spend has been very, very callous. कोई बात नहीं, इतना advertising में लगता है, कोई बात नहीं, इतना होता है. So we've told our guys to start, HR has started identifying people from the industries which sell life insurance policies, or maybe which sell SIM cards to people, advertising and selling of those products, those people on ground foot soldiers. How can they come into our organization, into real estate, and change the thought process that we have, not my people. I'm responsible for the thought process my people have, if I'm willing to spend that money. So all this, depends organization to organization. This is what we are doing.
जी. Next question is to Satish Dada ji. Sir, one of our if we calculate the direct and indirect premiums and taxes that we are paying to the state, local, and center, it comes to 30 to 40%. Is there a way by which we can make government, as it is, it's a partner, instead of paying those premiums and taxes, can we offer them flats at ready reckoner so that all the projects get completed? Government's big focus is customer. Otherwise, with the loan and overhangs, maybe a lot of projects will get stuck. Dada?
I think he's mute. You muted him. I think
Trupti?
somebody.
Yeah.
Now.
Can you see? We can talk of this to the government, but what will the government do with the floods? What is the mechanism they have? They don't have. What I am suggesting to them is that you take progressive payment from us. Work out a mechanism, and how will you? Their question will come: how will you control it? I'll tell them, look at the RERA data. We are putting up everything there. So if I have sold a flat, then proportionally to that flat, as the payment comes, some mechanism we work out where we pay your fees. Now, for this, we also have to be more proactive. We have to be more truthful. They have to believe us. But I think such out-of-the-box thinkings, if you take out on deferment of payment, so that, see, they will also need the money because they have to run the city. We just cannot say that you just give us exemption. But if we can work on deferment, that at plain checking, at completion of RCC, at completion of this thing, and if they can monitor it, we can set up a mechanism of monitoring on the RERA website. I think we can look at this. And once this lockdown gets off, when we are going to the state government, because this is more of a state government issue, we'll have to come out with this solution.
And I'll tell you one more thing. Today, government is willing to listen so much. Yesterday, I was in this meeting in Finance Ministry, one of the committees. They said, why is it okay if we put in a provision that nobody can go to NCLT for the next 6 months? It's coming from them. And they are okay doing it. So what we need to do now today to state government is saying, no penal charges for anything. कोई मतलब नहीं penal interest लेने का, कोई मतलब नहीं delayed penalties लेने का, चाहे fungible FSI हो या TDR हो या जो भी हो. I think state government से इस वक्त आप कुछ भी हम यहाँ पे नोएडा, यूपी, NCR में बहुत कुछ मांग रहे हैं और मिल रहा है. कोई भी इंटरेस्ट, penal interest कोई नहीं देगा, और जो आप इंटरेस्ट ले रहे थे उसको भी आप जीरो करो. ये नहीं कि रैशनलाइज करो. हम दे नहीं सकते जब इनफ्लोज नहीं है, हम कहाँ से देंगे? And they'll do it. Also rationalization of charges, which of course BMCA has done already, but this is the time to ask for more than you ever thought of, and they will give you because they want the work to continue, and everybody knows there is no inflow of money. So please ask for these things.
Sir, taking cue at what you said about NCLT, government is receptive. Same is a concern that under RERA, if the customers start cancelling either for insecurity or negotiation of prices, can we talk to Hardeep Singh Puri Saab and saying RERA that the focus should be on completion of projects, and post completion he can do whatever he wishes, so that all the money is going into the project?
So we will talk to him, Nanesh. The thing is that today, पहले बात तो रेरा चीफ्स जितने भी हैं उनका भी एक थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज हो गया है कि दिस इज एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी सिचुएशन, वी कांट ऑर्डर अ रिफंड, देयर इज द मनी, प्रोजेक्ट बनना चाहिए, दैट्स इट. सो एवरीबडी विल आस्क द मिनिस्टर. दिस changing the act itself is a big challenge because it has to go to cabinet, and putting it in the act is a very difficult proposition. Better still would be to go to our state RERA committees and chairmen and have a con call between them on a CREDAI platform and have them understand the situation we are in and the threats we face and the threats that our projects face, and they'll listen and they'll give us whatever we ask for. So we can actually draft what we need, and we can already start circulating it. You can ask Dada to circulate it nationally to all chairmen so that they are already in sync हम क्या मांगने वाले हैं. And we are not going to ask for 6 months extension, or we going to ask for straight shot 2 years extension. अब उसमें से वो 1 साल दे दें, 6 महीने दें, तो वो उनके ऊपर है, लेकिन उनको ये उनसे dialogue चालू होना चाहिए. It's a good suggestion, Dada. I think we can do that, and it's already started.
Yeah, we have done it once before. Now, what will Nanish? I'll ask IP to get in touch with you. He did the first draft. We'll do a common draft, which we'll send to all the state presidents to be sent to all the people.
Fantastic, fantastic, sir. Dada, you being a CREDAI president, one very honest view, how do you look at consolidation that will happen?
Everyone has their own niche market. I don't think consolidation is going to happen. Our product is an emotional product. We are not selling an instrument. We are not selling a dead asset. We are selling an asset where even in times like Corona, people want to go home and stay. So that personal connect, personal contact, consolidation of all the big wigs coming and buying us out, forget them. They're not doing it. They will not know to survive. We know to survive because we have the human touch here.
Yes.
Excellent, excellent.
No worry. Good days are here to come for us.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
So one question was, with the financial institutions, the drawdown schedule generally was linked to you attaining certain sales velocity, sales price, construction progress. In light of COVID, is there something that CREDAI is taking up as to how the drawdown schedule can be relaxed so that the building can be completed?
Not only drawdown schedule, in fact, the Finance Ministry, Department of Financial Services has issued a directive to PSUs to enhance everybody's sanction limit, not real estate, generally SMEs and MSMEs by 10%. So I had a dialogue with them and I said, you know, the thing is that even if you open the lockdown tomorrow, there are two things that we don't have money to start. हम माल कहाँ से खरीदेंगे? तो ये आपको हमारी जो sanction limits हैं, उसमें आपको हमको कुछ 10-20% ऊपर देना पड़ेगा. सिक्योरिटाइज करो उसको जो भी है, और लेकिन आपको देना पड़ेगा ऊपर. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम पीएसयू से उधार लेते नहीं, बहुत कम लेते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ आवर डेट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम एनबीएफसीज एंड एचएफसीज एंड यू हैव नो हैंडल ओवर देम, और यू डू हैव बट यू नेवर टोल्ड देम बिकॉज़ यू होल्ड देम इन अ वेरी पुअर लाइट बिकॉज़ ऑफ व्हाटएवर हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. दे एक्सेप्टेड दैट, दे सेड yes we understand. So what we have made 2 or 3 suggestions where, so I spoke to some NBFCs that would you be, I mean, willing is one thing, but would you understand that to complete the project we don't have cash flows and we'll need money, either whatever you've taken in the SI needs to be given back, or what you have sanctioned to us, some more money needs to be given to complete the projects, because customer is not going to pay for a while because he's been given a 3-month relaxation on EMI. So he's saying, why should I draw down more money from my home loan and give you, because अभी तो मेरे पास पैसे EMI भरने के नहीं, तो आप मुझे कह रहे हो और EMI बढ़ा लूं अपनी. So इसलिए जब ये बात हमने उनको सामने रखी कि भाई एनबीएफसी के पास जब गए, एनबीएफसी कहता है मेरे पास लिक्विडिटी नहीं है, मैं आपको कहां से दूं, मैं देना चाहता हूं पर मेरे पास पैसे ही नहीं, मुझे पीएसयू देता ही नहीं पैसे. सो वी हैव मेड 2 or 3 suggestions to the DFS to allow, you know, to aggressively energize the bond market. And you see there's a long-term repo money available to PSUs at 4% from RBI. That money basically they buy bonds of corporate bonds, or they buy bonds of PSUs or Navaratnas, but they are, you know, very NBFCs are, you know, because of the ratings and all, they are a little hesitant over there. But we have evolved a system where there's a pool of capital available to everybody. Maybe 1 lakh crores. We suggested 3 lakh crores, and they came up with something like a 1 lakh crore, where NBFCs who are rated and have a reasonable rating, may not necessarily be a, you know, AAA rated NBFC, we have suggested minimum of A negative. They should have access to dip into that pool to fund real estate to an extent. You know, they can dip in about 10 to 20% into that pool. Now it's a very brazen suggestion coming from industry, but surprisingly they are willing to listen to such suggestions, because we told them, you know, the thing is that if you want real estate to kickstart, 55% of real estate funding is coming from NBFC and HFC. PSU, and there was a PSU chairman on the board on the meeting. He said, you know, our board is not comfortable lending real estate because of whatever's happened. So I told him, I said, you know, see, we are hearing it from the man himself कि हम तो पैसा नहीं देंगे, तो आप हमको कहाँ से सोचते हो पैसा मिलेगा? एक ही जगह से मिलेगा, NBFC, HFC से मिलेगा. तो उनको आप पैसा दीजिए और सस्ता पैसा दीजिए, और उनपे कैप लगाइए कि अगर उनको पैसा मिल रहा है 5-6% पे या 7% पे, ये LTRO मनी, तो फिर वो पैसा हमको भी 8-9% पे दे as a last mile arrangement to us, where we already have a sanction line. If you got 100 crores, give us 20 crores more with a cap per group. कि भाई अगर किसी के पास 10,000 करोड़ का लोन है, तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि उसको 20% और 2,000 करोड़ और मिल जाए. वो राउंड ट्रिपिंग शुरू हो जाएगी, एवरग्रीनिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. आप कैप लगा दो कि उसको पूरा, अगर 10,000 करोड़ का, मतलब कैप के एक ग्रुप को हम इतने 100 करोड़ देंगे. So they have kind of they're listening to us and saying, yeah, this is something which is doable. We can put it across to RBI. So therefore, today, a lot of our communication has to be to RBI, and for RBI, we have to approach IBA, and for IBA, we have to approach SBI. So I'm telling you guys, you're sitting in Mumbai, you have your links with SBI, and you have your links with IBA. If anything has to be done by RBI, we are pushing in Delhi, but you need to aggressively push RBI wala matter through SBI and IBA. So get on it and let's get something happening soon.
Dada and Gidambar, just one other suggestion. We've been, as an association, obviously we engage the government, we engage RBI. I think we should, on a consistent basis, engage with sort of NBFCs and HFIs also.
Yes.
I think last 3 years, if we really analyze ourselves, we've been working for the banks. And I think, although interest rates, repo rates have been reduced by RBI, I don't think anybody has really got benefit of the reduction of. In fact, in most cases, they've further increased interest rate because they are saying that we are not getting money cheap. So I think it is very important that we, on a consistent basis, as CREDAI and as sister association, we take up dialogue with HFIs and NBFCs, because I think a big problem lies there also in what is being transmitted to the developers from there.
Yeah, because as the whole world order is changing now, our order is also going to change. Don't worry. सब तारे अभी जमीन पे आ गए, सबको काम करना है.
Very right.
No, Dada, because as I said, in all fairness, I think transmission to the end user. See, all the profitability of most HFIs and EA comes from developers. And I think zero transmission is happening to the developers. So I think it is important, as an association, we'll always have better leverage. We should take up a consistent dialogue with them. And Gidambar, we are working with our IBA, and we are trying our best to set up a meeting, and we will love you and Dada also to be there whenever we set up a IBA meeting.
We are going to put fire down your throats. Don't worry.
Don't worry. And you get onto the SBI shoulders also, because
we'll do that, Gidambar. We'll try and do that by next week, and we'll do it.
Dharmesh, can you excuse me? I've got Telangana on the other call.
Yeah. No. Perfect. I think we'll just wind up in.
No.
Naresh, if there are
Dharmesh bhai,
we can do a quick.
Dada, there was one very important thing.
Gidambar ji, do you have 10-15 minutes?
Yeah, I can stay for 10-15 minutes.
Please. So,
Dada, there was one urgent request from all the members. I mean, काफी लोगों के काम बेसमेंट पे है, and in case if the lockdown is going to be extended, can we have where in select sites with certain measures, the work to start? Otherwise, if the lockdown extends and the monsoon comes, there will be catastrophe in number of sites. So just keep that at the back of your mind.
No, we discussed this in the core group yesterday. Gidambar was also there. So we took a call that we'll wait till the 15th, and accordingly we'll make a request to the government after.
Thank you, Dada. Thank you.
Thank you all for having me here.
Thank you.
Big thank you, Satish Dada. We know you're always available to us, and you're always a call away.
And then I am now registered with you. Don't worry.
Sir, we had prepared one GIF for this.
And
Trupti, can you keep the GIF?
दादा daily workout report मेरे को
भेजते रहिए। क्या बात है।
इतना बात तो है नहीं सर पे।
तो ये हमारे daily somebody needs to take your reports also, daily workout report मेरे को भेजिए।
हाँ भेजूँगा। अभी मैं वो ऐप पे रखे ऐप पे भेज देता हूँ मैं।
हमारे क्रीडाई के जय
दादा thanks a ton, and we will continue with Gidambar.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye Satish, I'll catch you.
Take care.
ठीक है।
Thank you. Gidambar ji,
हाँ जी,
I'll slightly deep into opportunity I had got to have with you on deep conversations. This is year 2020. The total is 4, which signifies reconstruction and re-evaluation of our vision. 2020 is also a leap year, which says need for balance to take materialism to take a back seat. Sir, from a spirituality angle, how are you? How do you see this situation, and what is your advice?
Why are you throwing these googlies at me? I am not a spiritual master.
Sir, along with all the work we do, there is also a spirituality which is the center.
Gidambar, your wife is spiritual.
Yeah, she's very.
Dip into her spirituality and give us the answer.
So I tell you what makes me so the other day somebody asked me, I was on a call with HDFC and Vipul Rungta says to me, and Mrs. Karnad was also there. She says, why do you always keep smiling and laughing in every situation? And Dharmesh, I was reminded of you also because you're also har waqt mein you are mast maula. So they asked, see, Nanish, these years, leap year, non-leap year, heavy karmic, not heavy karmic. So I don't know how many of us, I subscribe and I live my life by the principles of the Bhagavad Gita. Not, I mean, I'm not saying I'm a saint, but it's very easy and very easy to live once you understand the basic concept of the Gita, which says that everything around us is basically, you know, we've been born many times and we'll come again. So effectively, whatever is happening around us is not the end for the soul which is inside this body. So then when I come again next time, there'll be something else. And next time there'll be something else. So why should I get affected by whatever is happening right now? If it is happening, it is probably, I was meant to see it and experience it and maybe learn from it. Maybe become a better person. तो बहुत ही cliched है. Maybe I need to change the way I think about the reality which I see. मैं ऐसे सोचता हूँ. तो मैंने ये सोचा कि अगर मैं पहले भी था, मैं अब भी हूँ, मैं दोबारा आऊंगा, भगवान यही कहते हैं अपने बारे में, तो फिर मुझे आज इस स्थिति से डरने की क्या जरूरत है? ये दिस इज नॉट फॉरएवर, दिस इज नॉट the end of the journey of my soul. So let me see this and let me enjoy it and let me learn from it and let me not depress my soul. Let me be happy because this is not real. This is माया है, ये hallucination है. इसलिए इससे डरने की, घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ये सब आता है एक पिक्चर की तरह, बाहर निकल जाएगा. जब मैं मर जाऊंगा, मेरा ये सोल किसी और बॉडी में फिर चला जाएगा, फिर एक नई पिक्चर देखूंगा. तो ये भी एक मूवी है, लेट मी एंजॉय इट. कभी इस मूवी में डरावने सीन आते हैं, कभी रोमांटिक सीन आते हैं, कभी कॉमेडी सीन आता है. सबको एंजॉय करो. मेरी
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल.
Very well said, Gidambar.
Thank you.
Sir, right now, currently in all the webinars, the buzzwords are efficiency, cost control, productivity. Now, are these all the Smashan Vairagya terms, or is this the new normal? This is what will define us.
देखो क्या है कि एक हम सबका बेसिक नेचर है जो हम नहीं बदल सकते नैनेश. अगर हम एफिशिएंट नहीं है तो हम नहीं है, अगर हम फॉरवर्ड थिंकिंग नहीं है तो नहीं है. लेकिन इस माहौल को देखते हुए हमें एक नया टैलेंट अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में लेके आना है, एक यंग टैलेंट, एक यंग सोच जो ये सब कुछ है. अब इसको ढूंढे कहां से? ये बज़वर्ड्स आज के थोड़ी हैं, ये तो हमेशा रहे हैं. जब भी कोई ऐसी परिस्थिति आती है, 2008-9 में भी ऐसी भाषा सुनते थे हम, आज भी यही सुन रहे हैं. हो सकता है भगवान ना करे कल को कोई और संकट आएगा, फिर यही सुनेंगे. जो हम हैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योर जो थोड़े पागल होते हैं, जो ऐसे रिस्क लेते हैं जो और कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता. तो ये हमारी कोर कॉम्पिटेंस है कि वी आर एबल टू, like they say, jump off a cliff and make an aeroplane while coming down. That's what we think and that's what we believe, and sometimes we are able to do it, sometimes we are not. But that doesn't change our DNA. That is our basic DNA. Whether we are efficient about it, that is secondary. Whether we are whatever other things you said about it, that needs to be, you know, a conversation we need to have with ourselves. We can change, but we can't change 100% because हमारा DNA वो शायद है ही नहीं. मेरा नहीं, मुझे पता है मेरी क्या कमजोरियां हैं, and I'm honest enough to admit to my weaknesses and get somebody else to do that. So I think in these times we have to be honest, having a conversation with ourselves as promoters and understand our weaknesses. कि मेरे में ये करने की क्षमता या ताकत या कैपेसिटी है ही नहीं. अगर नहीं है तो मैं किसी को ले आता हूं जिसमें है. तो आज ये टाइम जो हमको पॉज मिला है, इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा टैलेंट पूल खुल गया, सिर्फ हमारी इंडस्ट्री से नहीं बल्कि इतनी इंडस्ट्री से. तो ये मौका मत खो. इस मौके में उस टैलेंट पूल में डिप करो. आज वो नहीं कहता मुझे एम्प्लॉय करो, आप आइडेंटिफाई करो, डायलॉग शुरू करो, और कल को जब हमारा वक्त थोड़ा बेटर होगा, हम अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे, सैलरीज भी कम लेंगे वो लोग. अब वो जमाने नहीं रहेंगे कि नए आदमी को लाने के लिए करोड़ों देने पड़ेंगे, वो भी अब सब टोन डाउन हो जाएगा. ये सब एक प्लस साइड है सारी सिचुएशन की. उस टैलेंट पूल को आइडेंटिफाई करो, डिप करो और लेके आओ, क्योंकि आप और हम बदल सकते हैं, लेकिन ओनली 10%, 15%. हमारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत है हमारी रिस्क टेकिंग कैपेसिटी, हमारी गट्स, हमारी करेज, हमारी रेजिलियंस, हमारी सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट्स. ये और बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज में शायद नहीं है, हम में है. कैसे कहते हैं आपके मुंबई में वो गोटी, क्या जबरदस्त क्या बोलता है धर्मेश, कुछ ऐसा कुछ, तो वो है हम में. We've got balls of steel, pardon my French, but that's the truth, that is our strength. But there are many things we don't have. Let's go and look for those things and people who do have it and bring them in.
Absolutely, absolutely. Sir, since you've been talking on various webinars and also to your own company, and you have multiple businesses in your company, can you share with us the 5 bounce back ideas that you've come across? 5 ideas that have taken your fancy to your imagination. 5 ideas that have come from your people that we can implement.
So the first idea is that I should stay out of most things, which is true. You know, at our level, you have a concept. We have the ability to do a concept, but we may not be very good executioners. So the first idea that has come to me from maybe my own children also is that there are certain things where you should stay out of. You know, you are good at this and we need you there, because without you, we cannot do what we are doing. So this is the first idea that has come to me. The second idea which has come to me is that people who have been in my organization out of love, हमारे साथ इतने साल से हैं वो, मैं आज भी उनको प्यार करता हूं, लेकिन एक समय आता है जब उनको इज्जत पूरी मैं देता हूं, मेरे शायद सारी कंपनी भी देती है, लेकिन अब एक समय आता है जब उनकी सोच और नई सोच में टक्कर होनी शुरू हो जाती है. मैं अगर अपनी सोच बदल सकता हूं तो वो शायद अपनी सोच ना बदल लें. They may be dear to me, they may be with me for many 20 years, 25 years, but they need to now retire. They need to go. So this is the second thing that I have that has come back to me. The third thing that has come back to me is that with changing times, IT, that is information technology and all these things, will play a big role in our own organizations. And we need to start planning for that today. So these things, like, for example, my son, when he came back, he's worked for 4 years in Accenture in London, and he used to tell me, why don't you have these calls that we're having today? क्या जरूरत है सबको? Why can't you have, you know, we used to have a 6-day week. Why can't you have a 5-day week and maybe 1 day they can work from home? I said, nonsense, boss. This is India. ऐसा नहीं होता यहाँ पे. आज अगर हम ये सब कर रहे हैं, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, और सक्सेसफुली कर रहे हैं, और ये वेबिनार्स कर रहे हैं, तो क्या हम अपनी टीम से भी तो बात कर रहे हैं ऐसे ही? तो क्या जरूरत है? तो he came up with this idea and he told me, he said, he convinced me to give a Saturday off. Now he's saying, why don't we have an option of keeping a Friday off as well? Because then off means work from home. So the guy can actually have a Friday, Saturday, Sunday with his family. Work won't suffer, and not all functions will go work from home because our sites cannot work from home. Our CRM maybe comes to because they need an interaction with the customer, but probably at some point in time, our CRM will also work on such Zoom technologies. So what I understood is that IT will start playing a very big role, not for digital marketing, and that's what I used to think. Arey, digital marketing ke liye chahiye, designing ke liye chahiye, planning ke liye chahiye. No, but for things like this, for many other things which I'm still learning. So this is another big learning that I have come across. The fourth learning that I have come across when the new blood and youngsters came in is that I had many misconceptions about the numbers of our business, which after an analysis, you need to have an analytical team in your company. That team could be made of 4 or 2 or 3 people. That team will have to dive into your finance, dive into your CRM, dive into your sales, and dig out numbers from the past 5 years to set right your own misconceptions about your business. And I had so many misconceptions about my business. Oh, ये number क्योंकि हम कहते हैं लगभग हो गया. वो जब आया डेटा माइन होके और उसका एनालिसिस बना और मैंने देखा, अरे ये सच है हमारा, मैं तो कुछ और सोच रहा था. So that needs to be done. And analysis, whether it's your sales. So they came up with a very, you know, just to prove to me that it works. They took out the sales data of our company for the last 5 years, and geographically, they were spending, the thumb rule was marketing पे 4 से 5% advertising, ये वो blah blah blah, और brokers को 4 से 5% क्यों? Because my son got in a guy from Quality Ice Cream for marketing. He said, नहीं है, इतना पैसा खर्चने की क्या जरूरत है? Why don't we analyze कि where we should advertise? So they took out data from the last 5 years and geographically saw कि हमारा customer दिल्ली NCR के कौन-कौन से region से आ रहा है, तो वहां पे advertise करते हैं. पूरे दिल्ली में हम advertise करते हैं, उसका खर्चा करने की जरूरत क्या है? और वहां पे हम कार्पेट बॉम्बिंग करते हैं and our sales went up. So analytical data is very important, and there has to be some sensible person who knows how to use that analytical data to our advantage. The fifth learning which I have come up, which I have learned, is that we are overpaying most of our people. And we are overpaying because of a fear that we won't get good talent. We are overpaying because of fear that our people will go and leave us. ये मेरे में बहुत है, अरे यार इतने सालों से मैं ये सोचा अरे इसकी तनख्वाह बढ़ा दो छोड़ के चला जाएगा नहीं तो. It's not true. Talent is available much cheaper, better talent, younger talent, and we must access it. So this is the fifth learning that I have had.
Fantastic, fantastic, sir. And you've been very candid about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir, most of the questions I have taken. President sir, Nayan Shah, anything, sir?
I think I have nothing to say. I mean, I'm just overwhelmed by listening to Dada and Gitambarji today. And, you know, I can say on behalf of everybody that we are completely convinced. In fact, in the morning, I had sent a chat to you, Gitambarji, if you recollect, you know.
Yes.
And I think I've got all the answers.
That's why I had to call, because from your chat only, I thought, let me just put this all together in one dialogue so that you don't have to ask kya ho raha.
And I think we need to work on two things, Dada, Gitambarji. One is the supply side, which you have excellently done. And second is on the demand side. See, finally, I may get a 6 months holiday to pay my EMI moratorium 1 year, but my demand has to come back.
Yes.
So interest, and you know the idea, stamp duty, we should push in our state government. You know, we'll talk to Dada again about how can we reduce the stamp duty, how a GST of 5% with ITC.
वो आ रहा है. Sorry, I forgot to tell you this. So that with ITC is coming.
Yeah.
So we pushed it.
Brilliant.
It'll come. Yeah. So on the demand side, no, Nayan, good thing you raised this. So like, you know, ये हम लोग ही निकाल सकते हैं ये नुस्खा इसका. देखो, let us take two premises. One, ये demand housing की बढ़ेगी. अब कौन से बजट में बढ़ेगी? सब में बढ़ेगी. और वो क्या प्रोडक्ट देना है वो हम लोग इंटेलिजेंट है बनाने के लिए. लेकिन सबसे बड़ा उसमें थ्रेट क्या है कि मेरे बायर को आज कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है कि उसकी नौकरी रहेगी. तो अगर आज उसको 1 लाख रुपए महीना मिल रहा है तो क्या उसको 1 लाख महीने मिलेगा 6 महीने बाद? नहीं मिलेगा. उसको ये सोच है. तो उसको उस इनसिक्योरिटी को ओवरकम कैसे करें? HFC के साथ मिलके सरकार मान लो करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगाएगी. हमने बोला है PMAY जो आप दे रहे हो सिर्फ पर फैमिली फर्स्ट होम को, open it across the board, and they are still okay with that. They are going to talk about it in the Urban Development Ministry, and cabinet might just change the PMAY thing to say कि भाई everybody will get PMAY. But then मेरे बायर अगर सरकारी जॉब में उसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. प्राइवेट सेक्टर के मेरे होम बायर को बहुत सिक्योरिटी है. उसको कैसे ओवरकम करूं मैं? ये आप सब MCHI में you got great thinkers. Why don't you have a separate session for that? How to enable your buyer to take a loan for 2 years without him worrying about the EMI, and don't say कि हम दे देंगे, because हमारे पास पैसे नहीं होंगे देने के लिए सबवेंशन. ये बात तय है.
जी.
तो ये है बात. मेरी सोच है.
Brilliant, Gitambar. I think it's a very good suggestion. Let us also brainstorm. We'll definitely come back with suggestions, you know, on this.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Sir, नहीं, sir, last है. सर, since quick fire जैसा है कि अभी जैसे ही हम 12-20 को फोन रखेंगे, कौन सी 5 चीज हमको फोन उठा के अपनी कंपनी के साथ करनी है? 5 things that we must do. One is talk to people. Yes.
Talk to people. Number 2, start thinking as your own, as a promoter, who are the people you need to weed out. Number 3, ask your HODs to identify the people they need to weed out. Number 4, you have to make a plan. If in case you want to continue doing this business, you have to make a plan to talk to other members of MCHI and say, यार, let's all sit together. कंपनी तो हो गया, वो तो करेंगे, आएंगे जाएंगे, लेकिन हम सब साथ हैं, हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे, एक दूसरे के साथ मिलते रहेंगे, उठते बैठे. नंबर 4 इज हम सब साथ इकट्ठे बैठें और एक कॉमन प्लान बनाए. यार, हम सब एक दूसरे के दोस्त हैं, एक दूसरे की सपोर्ट है. नंबर 5, मैं अपनी कंपनी के सारे लोगों को बोलूंगा, रोज हंसो, मस्त रहो. ये दिन है, कल आएगा, वो भी बढ़िया होगा, आज भी बढ़िया है. मैं तो यही बोलूंगा, सबको यही बोलो.
Brilliant.
Sir, once again, Dada, you want to conclude?
So once again, Gitambar, as always, yeah, brilliant hearing to you. And what I think all of us like about you is you're always candid, upfront. Whatever you speak comes straight from the heart. And I think brilliant suggestions that all of us have gone back with. I think the bare minimum things we can start with is keep smiling, keep our head high. That is what is going to help our people and our customers and everybody around.
Yes.
So everything, if we look at it with genuine intention, there is a positive in everything that comes across our way in life, and there's plenty to learn from this rather than be sad about it or be pessimistic about it. Once again, Gitambar, thanks a ton, my friend, and from all of us at MCHI, and I think a lot of constructive suggestions you've given. We'll work on each of them, and we will keep interacting with each other.
Thank you.
Keep smiling.
Thank you, Dharmesh. One last thing, positive thing I want to say to everybody. आप मान के चलो कि ऐसा समय आने वाला है कि कोई बड़ी बात नहीं कि इंटरेस्ट वेवर भी मिलना शुरू हो जाए हम लोगों को अपने लोन्स पे, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. सब चीजें हमारे हित में होंगी, हमारे हक में होंगी. ऐसी चीजें होंगी जो आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
बी पॉजिटिव.
क्या बात है.
क्या डटे रहें, बने रहें.
Sir, I want to assure you on behalf of MCHI, although each of our members is in severe liquidity problem,
everyone is,
but community को help करने में हम पीछे नहीं गए हैं सर. और आप छाती फुला के बोल सकते हो पीएम को कि all the whole MMR region, everybody has stood by. Everybody has stood by. ये मैं आश्वासन देता हूँ on behalf of everybody in MMR sir.
Great, sir. Great, Nan. By very, very great thing. I mean, all of us across the country are doing the same thing, but it's so nice to know that all of us are thinking as one person. Lovely, lovely. And government को भी हम ये दिखाते रहेंगे कि भाई हम ये इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Friends, this energy of Gitambar, this energy and this positivity comes from a fact that he visits all his sites on a weekly basis. Every week he visits every site. He climbs, he puts on his sporting shoes from his car, climbs all the 20 floors. Even the liftman or a laborer has his mobile number. Even a customer has his mobile number. So even छोटी चीज अगर साइट पे कुछ होता है तो भी it is not the project head who tells him. Even the liftman tells him कि साहब ऐसा हुआ था. And if there is a customer, so entire CRM is on their toes. A customer has his number on mobile. He never says no to a customer. He talks to them everywhere. So it is leading from the front. This positivity, this confidence, this body language comes from the fact that he loves his business. He loves this passionate. He is in it not for money. He is in it for the right given by the God to him, for the creation, for absolutely creating value for all stakeholders. So that's what we're going to take some part of it, get as much motivated and inspired. And sir, we may connect with you very soon again.
Sir, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.